Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram number change code not received. If you are experiencing issue with not receiving the verification code when trying to change your phone number on Instagram, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. Instagram requires an active internet connection to send and receive verification codes. Instagram usually provides an option to resend the verification code. Try tapping on the option to resend the code. Double check that you entered the correct mobile number with the appropriate country code. An incorrect number will result in not receiving the verification code. If you are still not receiving the verification code by SMS, Instagram may provide an option for receive it by a voice call. Look for the alternative and select it. After that, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram app. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Outdated versions may have bugs that can be fixed in newer releases. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.